Hi guys, this is Khazi on Tech. You're watching YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel. Today I will show you how to install Docker on Mac. Open the Safari browser and type Docker on Mac. Click first link and download the Mac Apple chip. Once it is downloaded done, click on the download folder, double tap, drag and drop to application. Once it is copied to application, it is automatically installed. Now you want to see the Docker icon, go to Launchpad and click the Docker. Open, accept, finish without password, request password. It is administrator password. Install. Done. Already you install and log in into the Docker. Type the username and password. Continue. Allow. This is survey. Skip the survey. Now it is successfully installed. See the left side, containers and images, volume, build, everything is there. If you want to verify the Docker, open the terminal and type the Docker ps. It is successfully installed. Thank you. Thanks for watching Khazi on Tech. Please subscribe my channel.